Welcome to Quiz Gazette. In today's video, we'll guess who's Astrobot character by its voice. Guess the character. Chief Kawa. Guess the voice. Captain Short Fuse. Guess the character. Blunderjaw. Who is this? Mega Glopper. Identify the emoji that's out of place. This one is unique in the set. Find the real one. This one is real. Falcon McFly. Who is this? Tama Trio. Find the emoji that stands out. This one stands out from others. Can you guess the real one? Here it is. Which emoji breaks the pattern? This one breaks the pattern. Guess the character. Waco Taco. Guess the voice. Space Bully Nebulax. Guess the character. It's Nidhogg. Can you see which one is unique? This one doesn't belong. Spot the emoji that doesn't match. It's out of place. Guess the character. Ginny of the lamp. Guess the real one? This is real character. Guess the character? Mighty Chewy. Guess the character? Mecha Leon. Guess the real character? This is real one. Guess the voice? Captain Pincher. Guess the character? Lady Venomara. Pick the emoji that looks different. This emoji is different. Find the one that's different. This one is unique here. Find the real one. This one is real. Guess the voice? It's Spectre. Guess the character? Frigid Frosty. Which one stands out? This one stands alone. Can you guess the real one? Here it is. Guess the real one? This is real character. Spot the emoji that's out of place. It's not like the others. Can you pick the odd emoji? This one's the odd one. Find the emoji that's different. It's the odd emoji. Which emoji doesn't fit in? This one doesn't match. Identify the emoji that's unique. This emoji is unlike the rest. Find the unique emoji here. This emoji is the odd one. Can you find the odd emoji? It's different from others. Spot the different emoji. This one stands out. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Keep quizzing and see you in the next video.